Welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie, and today I'm going to show you how to create really nice one-stroke ribbon. I'm going to apply 2 coats of vintage rose. Make sure to keep the free edge. And cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply my second coat, and as you can see, the colors are very pigmented. And cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna wipe off with the gel residue wipe off solution to remove the sticky layer. So now to do the ribbon style, I'm gonna use white paint and violet paint. I'm gonna add a little bit of water in my paint to make it, more liquidy. I'm going to dip my brush into the white first and into the violet after. I'm going to do a small, like a U shape, and flip your brush and do exactly the same, but in the reverse way. So now I'm gonna do my second coat to make the color stronger, and make sure that your clear color, the white in this case, is in outline. And I'm gonna add some new design around the free edge. Now I will outline the ribbon with the white color mixed with a little bit of violet. And now I'm going to apply the Urban Graffiti Top Coat Gel Polish to seal the design and cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna apply the vanilla cuticle oil and massage the finger. Here is the finishing design. I hope you like it. All the product used will be listed below. Until next time, au revoir!